So what is this matter of the free will? Is the destiny of human being already decided beforehand, or does she have a possibility through her own will to form a good life?
Both are true. The divine reality, God, Allah, whatever name you want to give it, is beyond space and time. And that which is in that quantum field beyond space and time, from which space and time emerges, has the intrinsic, absolute knowledge of what comes in space and time. So you can say that deity, reality, God, truth knows. Correct. So God knows how much I will make mistake, or who I'm going to upset, or what I'm going to please, whatever. But that's not my business. I'm not God. I am driven, I am programmed, my software is such that wants me to be at all times accessing ease, tranquility, peace, contentment, and happiness. That is the correct drive with any reasonably healthy human being, man, woman, or in between. We all desire the same thing. It doesn't mean we want to stop duality. No, I accept breathing in, breathing out is duality. But I want the outcome of it to be quality air and oxygen for me to continue appreciating the perfection of life itself. So it is the ongoingness and being at one with that perpetuity that we desire. So God has designed the patterns. Nature has designed the patterns. If you go against nature, you suffer. You cut against the grain of a tree, you will mess it up. You can't produce a piece of furniture, let alone all of the other thousands of different natural flows. What else is Zen other than flow with it, with the flow? So there's least resistance. There's least waste of energy. So nature, God, all of these had emanated from that amazing spark of be and it is, however it was, whenever it was, few billions of years. It is self-reflectiveness. It begins to realize by itself, from itself, unto itself. Self-awareness. Few 100 million years ago it began, and now it is very complicated in countless number of differentiated lives. Anything that lives has one loyalty, to perpetuate life. Every other loyalty comes from that. There is one true reliability, and that is the love and passion and obsession with life itself and the life giver. So we are all the same as such, but I have this illusion of a choice that I may muck up now, eat too much, or exercise, or don't, or be lazy, or lie all the time, or live the moment to begin with accountably as an animal. Why are you doing this? Why are you not doing that? Why have you given him more than her? Why? What is the balance of justice? So I must start being taught courtesy, correct behavior, accountability, putting myself in the shoe of others, so that I stop seeing otherness. Otherwise it becomes a talk. Tawheed, Tawheed, Tawheed. Everybody talks, but nobody lives it. Tawheed is for me, as the Quran says, to see, to be in a state that when you meet your enemy, you regard him as a dear friend. وَإِذَا الَّذِي بَيْنَكَ وَبَيْنَهُ عَدَاوَةٌ كَأَنَّهُ وَلِيٌّ حَمِيمٌ. He is the dearest friend. No longer otherness. The ruh is oneness. So, but this takes time, and not everybody, as the Quran also says, وَمَا يُلَقَّاهَا إِلَّا ذُو حَظٍّ عَظِيمٍ. And nobody will get it unless they are of great fortune. So don't expect that you may get the full story. You may get part of it, doesn't matter. You will get the full story after the biggest illusion of all, your wrong identity with your body, with your mind, with your biography. this big illusion, once it disappears when you die, then you get the whole story. So there is no rush. So carry on. As long as you don't cause more damage to others, as long as you are aware of why are you doing this, why are you not doing that, why are you speaking, why are you not quiet, and on and on. You must be accountable to the source. You must be accountable, as they say, to God. There is only God. It isn't I and God. The I is only a shadow of that reality. So that's why also this beautiful saying in many of the world religions, God created man in his image. Meaning, we love the attributes. What are the attributes? Ever living, Al-Hayy, Al-Qadir, the ever able, the ever competent. Al-Murid, the ever being who wants it the way he wants it. So that's why desire is important. But desire for what? Ultimately, the sage will tell you he has one desire, and that is to be desireless. That's it. So you cannot live without a desire. So otherwise, every other desire you suffer. They will let you down quite rightly. Your family will let you down. Your wife, your children, quite beautifully, they are Allah's agent to show you to have good expectations, serve with no expectations. It's not easy.